Hey guys, it's Emmy, and today I'm going over, sorry if I figure these lights out. That's a little bit better. Today I'm going over a product called Ashwagandha. It is an herbal medication that I use personally. I'll show you a picture of it because it's going to be backwards if I show it to you. That I use on a daily basis. I have been for a year since my brother told me about it after it helped with his depression. Amazingly, he was able to go off of all of his medications that he was prescribed. I'm not a doctor. I'm not advising you to do anything. I'm just telling you what worked for me, my brother, and a few of my friends. I also have a friend that took it that was prescribed it by her herbal doctor, and it healed her depression and her anxiety. So that's something she has to take for the rest of her life. It actually literally heals the physiological functions that are disturbed by stress. So it corrects the imbalances that are in your body. That way you don't have to take it for the rest of your life like every other medicine you're prescribed by whatever. I'm not gonna go there. It helps your immune system, decreases inflammation, and it has like a ton of health benefits for your cortisol level, which is the stress hormone, which causes weight gain. It helps correct that. It boosts your brain function, which is great for memory problems, thinking fast on your feet. It balances your blood sugar, whether it's high or low, it will balance it. It doesn't just work for one way, which is even better. There's another thing it does. Oh, depression. Helps with depression, it helps with sleep for most people. Doesn't help with sleep for me. It'll make my mind just go nonstop because I'm ADD, obviously, if you can't tell by this video. But it's a great medication for all the things I listed above, as well as sleep for most people, depression for a lot, and anxiety for a lot of people. You take it by mouth. It's an oral supplement. I mix mine with water. You can do 1/4 of a dropper for a day, or you can do 1/2 of a dropper to sleep. It's up to you. That's my review on it. I love the stuff. There's another thing I love that the same company offers. It's called Gynostemma Tea. It helps with your endurance. So like working out, being able to last longer, muscle fatigue, brain function, hair loss, and hormones. So it's for men and women. It's recommended for both, and it also corrects issues. And it's one of my favorite things. It's a tea that you can drink every morning. It's I think it's based out of China. Another one for women. This is the other one for women. It's called, what is it called? Women's Athena Formula. It's amazing. It has like everything that a woman needs to take on a daily basis. So try that. It's also a powder. You can mix it in water, shake it up, chug it. You can mix it with whatever. I recommend that too from the website. As far as what I use on a daily basis, the only other thing I would add, well, there's 2 things. CLA, it's conjugated linoleic acid. It's for weight loss. It helps with your metabolism and control of fat. Definitely recommend this. It's a natural vitamin that you can take. I think it's made of safflower oil. I'll show you a picture of that. And then apple cider vinegar, of course. I'll show you. And collagen. Collagen is good for your skin, your nails, your joints, your bones, your skin elasticity. So as we age, our elasticity tends to wear off in every part of our body, and collagen helps replace that and replenish that. Definitely recommend those things. I'll put links in the bottom for all of those. And if there's any other reviews you want me to do or questions you have, just give me a holler and I'll reply. Thanks.